What's going on, y'all? So I wanted to make this video for you guys in case you didn't know how to put on your 392 badge on your quarter panel right there. Basically all you really got to do is measure from I don't know if it's from the rocker panel from the very bottom or if it's from the bottom of the quarter panel there, but you have to measure 15.5 inches up, and then 1 3/4 inches from the door to the quarter panel to the left there. So I will be doing the measurements there, taping it up, and then I'll show you guys kind of where to put them, just so you guys know, if you didn't know. So yeah, let's get right into that. So kind of before we measure, we just kind of want to spray some glass cleaner up in this area. So that's what I'll do right now. Let's spray some glass cleaner right here, and then just kind of wipe down this area. That way so the adhesion can stick pretty well on there. But yeah, do that on both sides. So to make this a little easier on myself, what I did was ripped a little piece of masking tape off and then measured 15.5 inches from right there to there. And then I'm just gonna flatten it out. So I'll just do a straight masking tape piece right there. And then I'm gonna measure from 1 3/4 inches from there to there. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so we just got this side done on the driver's side. And basically you can kind of see 1 3/4 inches from there to that corner. So you're gonna want to put the two right in that corner, and then we'll kind of space it out, kind of how, just kind of eyeball that one. But the length isn't really accurate, obviously, so we'll have to kind of mess with it. But yeah, we'll go do the passenger side now. All right, just got done with the passenger side. You can see there, again, same concept, 15.5 inches from here to there, and then 1 3/4 inches from there to there. So yeah, now time to put the badge on. All right, y'all, so I did install it. I ripped off the tape. I was kind of in a rush, so I had to go somewhere real quick, but I am back, and yes, the badge is on. It is diagonal and horizontal. Make sure when you guys are installing 392 badge on there that you match up the two with the diagonal piece straight, and then obviously the bottom part horizontally on the tape. So make sure your tape is straight before doing this, because it will throw it off a little bit. But yeah, honestly, it came out really well on the car. Like, I'm super happy on how it looks. So yeah, I'll go show you the passenger side right now. And here's the passenger side. Turned out super clean. I spaced it out myself. I spaced it out kind of how I liked it, and I like that a lot. It fits this car really well. So if you guys kind of enjoyed this install, make sure you go ahead and like, comment how you guys did, if you are about to do this. Super simple install, guys. Super simple. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.